Welcome to Melt and Pour Soap series at Terra Naturals. The Melt and Pour series offers a simple, customizable soap making method. Let us see goat milk turmeric soap with goat milk soap base. The goat milk turmeric soap combines the nourishing properties of goat milk with the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric, creating a gentle and hydrating skin care solution. Let's get started the recipe. Chop the required quantity of goat milk soap base and double boil it. For 1 kg of base, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. After the soap base has fully melted, gently add the turmeric powder and stir thoroughly. Add 5 ml of clove oil and 5 ml of coconut oil. Mix thoroughly. Now pour the mixture into the mold and let it sit for few minutes. Goat milk turmeric soap nourishes, hydrates and brightens the skin while reducing inflammation and improving texture with its antioxidant rich properties. Now unmold the soaps. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.